Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Asana with Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to come here to Claude. You're going to click on the bottom left hand side. You're going to go to settings, and here you are going to choose connectors. You are going to choose browse connectors, and you are going to look for Asana from the search bar. You are going to select Asana, and all you have to do here is to just click connect. You're going to log in, you're going to authorize, and that's how you can connect Claude with Asana. Now, before you begin, you can scroll down, you can have a look under tools. What you see here is everything that Claude can currently do together with Asana. Create project preview, create task preview, get items for portfolio, get a task, get projects, update a task, and so forth. You can also have a conversation with Claude to explain what everything means in more detail and also uncover more opportunities on how you can work together with Asana. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect Asana with Claude. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.